On today's edition of Forever Home, we're talking shower valve plumbing leaks. It's going to be exciting. Let's get going. Here we go. It's a hot one here today in Lincoln University. We are working on a plumbing leak. Customer gave us a call because they had water stains showing up in their ceiling whenever the kids took a shower, and they wanted us to come out and take a look and see what was going on. So we cut open a hole here. We started running some water, trying to figure out was the drain leaking, is the shower valve leaking, figuring different steps out, cold water, hot water, adding the shower, different pieces. We were able to trace it to a problem upstairs. So we'll take you upstairs and we will show you what that looks like. So we took the cover off the shower valve and we had a leak coming in from the threads just underneath the where the hot water supply comes into the side of the valve here. And so we cut a hole in the drywall on the backside to allow us to cut this pipe here and unscrew this fitting and take it apart. And so what we found here is that the Teflon tape and the liquid stuff that they used wasn't sufficient, didn't hold up. 21 years, I guess it just decided that it had enough. So we're gonna take this apart. We're gonna get some new pipe dope and thread on here, get this put back together, and then we're gonna grab our union and we're gonna glue that piece back together. And the homeowner's just going to leave the water off for about 2 hours while the glue sets up and dries. And then this will be 100% ready to go. And then we'll come back and schedule a day to patch the drywall. And we'll probably put an access panel in here and we'll do a drywall patch downstairs. So we've got our new pieces glued back in here, and we're gonna have the homeowner just leave that for about 2 hours till it dries. And then he can turn the water back on and check it and make sure that we've solved this leak, and also check to see if there were any others that are going on. And assuming we get the all clear back on that, it's just a simple matter of scheduling a drywall patch. So we'll come back, we'll cut in a 14 by 14 access panel for back here for him and get that installed. And then we'll do a drywall patch in the ceiling down below and get all that put back together. This is Drew in beautiful Lincoln University, Pennsylvania. If we can solve a problem for you, take a picture of what's bugging you, send it to us right here on our Facebook page. Click that contact us button there at the top, and our team will be happy to assist you weekdays 9:30 in the morning until 2 in the afternoon, or you can call the office at 484-748-0008. Choose option 2 for 𝗗𝘁'𝘀 Construction and Renovation and Extension 2 for new projects. 𝗗𝘁'𝘀 is your full service construction and renovation contractor, a Pennsylvania home improvement contractor number 88078, and licensed in Newcastle County, Delaware 10490. If you're watching on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, like this video, click the notifications bell. Remember, our team does it all: roofing, siding, windows, doors, decks, anything on the interior of your home, renovating your bathroom, your kitchen, finishing your basement, plumbing, electrical, drywall, spackle, paint, building an addition, a custom dream house, or a garage. Let us know what problem we can solve for you. Remember, when we're done with it, you're gonna be proud to say it's not just done. It was 𝗗𝘁'𝘀. We'll catch you in the next edition of Forever Home. Bye for now.